Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters. I hope you're having a busting day. I hope you're more fit, healthy and well with all the stuff that's going on in the world today. But today I'm going to be showing you how to change the PCV Vale on your BMW E34, 540, M60, E40. You might be asking why I'm going to be changing the PCV Vale. Well, the simple answer is smoke on startup. When the PCV Vale goes, it does tend to smoke on startup. The first time I thought you could be standing a bit, but I've started to book the time since then and there's been a bit of smoke out the exhaust. So the PCV Valve, yeah, needs to be changed. At the end of the video I'm going to open up the old PCV Valve, yeah, and see what the condition's like after 130,000 miles. Yeah, obviously when I first started up it don't only smoke because we're on film, and when you do stuff on film it always tends to go turbo pretty quick and show you up and make it look like a liar. But as you can see, there's a bit of smoke coming through now. So I think the PCV Vale is on its way out. Yeah, for everybody who's new to the channel, the exhaust looks ugly, horrible. I know it does, and I'm going to get sorted rather soon. Nice rumble though. So this is where we should be showing you how to change your PCV valve, but as we was changing it with filming it was stuck on so bad that it actually snapped the intact manifold. So the screws now are just turning in their socket, I should say. Slightly annoying, but that means we're going to have to get a better intact manifold now. If it breaks, replace it with something better, which we're going to do. It's slightly annoying because there's no video about how to replace it, but it was our first time the intact manifold broke. These things come to try us, but do look forward to a video on how to change your intact manifold rather soon. I've got to source the one with the trumpeting. The one that I'm on now, I got told were the best one to come on an E34, but I was told that on a 7 Series 740 E32 there was ones that had the actual trumpets in them, or the trumpet design on them, which would be the best one you can fit to an M60. So I'm going to hold out, find one and do a video on how to fit that to your E34. But now we're going to go to the car now and I'm going to show you how it broke. You can see the actual PCV valve is off, but that screw is turning and it's chipped this away. That's the actual seal there, so it's scrap. And that one is going the same way. We put so much force on but it's actually turning in its seat. At least we did get to see what the PCV valve diaphragm was like. We just pulled it off and this is what the inside was like. We've pulled the actual centre bit off, the actual diaphragm. Here's a mess out.
What?
Mess out. We're doing nothing.
No.
What you take from this is, if your PC valve has never been off, take your manifold off. You've got more room to play with, more easier on your body, more easier on your wings, leaning over and all that stuff. Just take it off. We had strip torque sets, and the ones that we could get pressure on just started turning their seats, so take that away if you can. But I'd like to say I hope you're safe, well and sound in this mad time. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.